Hello all. In our last video we are discussing the file and permissions. Like if we do ls-l, we'll able to understand the file of directory and what owner is having permission and group is having what permission, others are having which permission. So we have already explained. First character, it will show directory, normal file or a link. If it is having 0 like hyphen, then it's a normal file. Next we read, write and hyphen is in this condition will represent the owner permission. Read, write, execute was not there, and read, write hyphen is showing the permission of a group, and this read is showing for others user. So this how these all 10 characters are divided in first is the file type, then next if is the like owner permission, next 3 are the group permission, and last 3 are for others. So total 10 characters, and this is the user like owner of the file, this is a group of the file, group owner. Okay, so we will make some changes. Like there's a file Amit, it is having read, write and read permission. So we'll change ch mode, change mode of the file, we'll get permissions. So for user u, and I want to give execute, so I will give u plus x to Amit. So now we'll do ls-l. See, user got execute permission. Okay, now if I want to give permission to group, instead of u I will put g. So ls-l Amit. Group also got the permission to execute, but what about others? So for others we'll do o plus x. X means execute permission, read, write, execute we are giving, correct. Now ls-l Amit. So other also got execute permission, but we took 3 steps to give user, group, others to give the permission. Okay, if I want to give write permission to everyone, like all the users, so ch mode user, group, other plus write, and file name is Amit. See, it is not going to give any error ki the owner and the group is already having write permission. Others was not having write permission, so it has given. So in this way we can give. So I will make some changes. Ch mode, this is the giving a permission. Now you want to remove a permission from the group and others to write and execute. So instead of plus we have given minus, group, other minus write and execute to a file called Amit. So now owner of the file, user, root, write, read, write, execute, group is having read permission and others also having read permission only. Okay, now I want to give all permission to all users, like we are having owner, group and other, and I want to give all permission to all. So like how we'll do, ch mode, so all plus read, write, execute, file name Amit, ls-l Amit. So all got read, write, execute permission. Okay, user, group, other we are doing, we can give all also. So ch mode is a command, change mode, okay, which help us to give or take permission from user, owner and group. So syntax is ch mode, here we'll define permission and a file name. Okay, ch mode hyphen w and a file name if I give Amit. Okay, ch mode Amit, new permission are set. Okay, it is showing what permission is set. So we'll do ls-l Amit. So write is got removed from owner, group. not from others. Okay, other is already having write permission. So if I do chmod other also remove that permission, it will remove that permission from others also. So now no one is having read and write permission. Okay, I will try to do vi Amit. Okay, it is showing read only file, so owner also not having the permission. Now if I want to give a permission to owner, chmod means user plus me execute permission, or read permission is already, I want to give write permission. File name is Amit, ls-l, file name Amit. You are able to see. Now I will try to edit. Hi, this is Amit. See, I'm able to see, and you can see the content also. Hi, this is Amit is showing. So in this manner you can give read and execute permission, or you can take it. There are other methods too. You can do chmod. If you are not sure, like we are giving plus and minus, if you are not sure, you can do user equal to read write, okay, comma group equal to read write, and others equal to read and file name. So this manner you are defining each and everything. So in a single shot you can give complete permission. ls-l Amit. So user got read write, group got read write, others got read permission. Okay, in next video we will learn about the octal permission, but here we are having the this thing. This is for user, group and others. User is vagrant, group is vagrant, others are not, like whoever else are others. So we have defined the permission: read write for user, read write for group, and others, all like other are having only read permission. So chmod command we can use to change the permission of any file. So in next, let's see the octal permission. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye.